Hello everyone and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to create the credit audit report. So let's get started. The first thing that we would see when we log in is your dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on leads and consumers. From here, we can use the quick search to locate the lead or the customer, or we can navigate down below and choose out of the listing. Now, the first thing that we want to make sure is that they have the credit report imported. Now, if you see anyone with these little graphs, it's kind of our trick to know that they already have the credit report imported, but I want to show you where you would check that out anyways. So we would click on the client and we would go to credit report. Then from here, we would see the confirmed report. It can be in either confirmed or not confirmed, but we would just need to make sure the report's in there. If you don't know how to import a credit report, I'll leave a video tagged up above so you can watch it and learn how to import that report. But now let's go in and generate that credit audit report. So to do so, we're going to go back to leads and consumer. And once we're here, we're going to locate that client again. And we're going to click on that little graph that we've seen. That's actually the credit audit preview screen. So it's going to open up for us here, and here is where you'll be able to see the credit audit report. You can make any customizations if you wanted to. It is broken down into 6 sections. So it talks about what the credit score is, the client's credit score in the summary, the analysis of the accounts, the credit repair process, the action plan, and then the customer's part in the process. So if everything looks good, all you have to do is click send report or save the document or download. You could do any or all. And then once you have done that, you have successfully created your credit audit report.
Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.